What is going on, everybody? We are back at it with the E36 Drift Makeover, and today is part 4. So if you haven't seen the first 3 parts, guys, definitely make sure to check them out. This car has gone from a completely bone stock automatic BMW to a 5-speed swapped, has a hydraulic e-brake, all the fun drift modifications. And today we are going to be wrapping up some of the more mild stuff, starting with some adjustable control arms here and our LSD. I don't really know how far we're going to go today. I don't know where this video is going to stop at because we have to put our drive shaft in, our exhaust, some minor stuff to get the car ready to drive again. And we're going to keep on putting stuff in because we're excited to see her go. So let's get at it. As you can see, we are at the back of the car now. And these control arms, the lower ones here, are what we are going to be replacing with our fancy red ones right here, adjustable red ones. And Justin's going to give us the rundown what these mainly are going to be helping us with and affecting. Oh, you're not. No light on you. You're in the dark.
So the other BMW I owned and on this one, we've had a pretty significant amount of rear wheel camber, and doing burnouts and everything, it just wears the whole inside of the tire and destroys it. What we're going to do here is, instead of having that camber sag, we're going to shorten the length of the control arm and sort of bring it back and get more of an even tire wear.
Hopefully we won't blow off a tire in half the time.
Right.
Give us a little bit more tire life and some more traction too, because if you're only using obviously a little bit of your wheel, you're not getting any traction.
Nope.
These should be pretty easy to swap out. It's 4 bolts in total. So let's pull them off.
Yeah.
Let's get like a super high. There you go. There you go. Oh. I just took you some. Nice.
Just being a little girl. There it goes. So we got. Let's take a look-see at this guy.
Why? Why did they even put a cover on it?
I don't know.
What a unit.
Let's go cook up some steaks on the grill.
What a unit,
Look
dude.
at this thing.
Nice. Both of our control arms are out, and we're just going to ram these guys back up in there. Reuse the same bolts. That's all it does, pretty much, huh?
Pretty much all I have.
Just put your bolts through, I guess. Nice.
There she was.
That looks cool in there.
Hell yeah. Oh, race car red.
We don't have any adjustment on here. We will worry about that when we have the wheels in the car. So this is meant for now. We are ready to move on to our next step, which is going to be getting our differential in here. And as you can see, we do have polyurethane bushings in here, obviously along with our diff right there. Has the polyurethane bushings in it as well. And if you guys have not been following along, we have polyurethane bushings in our transmission mounts, in our engine, and our lower control arm. So this car is going to be one stiff unit, hopefully. And we're going to get this diff up in there. It's only 3 big bolts in it and the CV axles, and that's it. We have the rear end of the car all wrapped up now. We have our CV axles tight along with our sway bar. And it is time to toss our drive shaft in here now. We are moving right along. And now going on to our exhaust and some heat shields. Justin's under the rig, tossing the heat shields on. So I'm just uncovering my LS3 here that's on the stand. And I just completely coat it in WD-40 and like chain lube because I don't want to rust at all. This beast will get her time one day. 6.2 liters of America right here. Hell yeah. One day, guys. Hopefully this will be in the LS Volvo. One day. The exhaust is back in, and Justin's putting our final cross member in there now. And that's it for underneath the car. Everything is done. Now that we have everything underneath the car wrapped up, one of our final steps here is going to be to reassemble our airbox. And luckily we really didn't take it apart that much. We just pulled off the tube in the box here. So it shouldn't be a big deal to put it back together. And we're going to toss it all back on there. And the thing's ready to drive. It's ready to run, dude. She's going to start. She'll go. Let's get her in. The car is completely back together now. Besides a couple little pieces of plastic in the interior here, which we'll worry about after the first test drive, this thing is ready to rock and roll. So this is where we're going to end it today, guys. When we come back, we will be getting the E36 off the jack stands and down the ground, ready for its first drive, 5-speed swap with all this fun stuff with the Sicky Hydro, with the poly bushings, with the adjustable control arms. So much stuff is going to be tested out real soon. As always, guys, though, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment, and we will see you all in the next one. Peace!